This week's yellow sticker buys. Goat's milk, semi-skimmed, down from 180 to 44p. All those fresh bread rolls down to 10p. You see, when you're buying bread reduced like that, I mean, I do make my own bread, but unless I'm putting the oven on for something else, I'm not going to put the oven on, especially with the way energy prices are, just to make bread. So if I see it reduced at 10p, I get it. Lovely Satsuma oranges reduced from 1.35 to 10p. The yogurts were down to 50p from £2. The organic mature cheddar was down from £3.50 to £1.15. The runner beans down from 1.25 to 10p. The hummus down from £1 to 24p. Some salad reduced from 1.65 to 10p. I bought 2 radishes. They were reduced from 43p to 10p. And the Taste the Difference tomatoes reduced from £2 to 10p. I know it's after Christmas, but it's starting to look as though the shelves are getting empty again. Well, not getting empty. I think from Christmas and New Year, there doesn't seem to be much new stock coming in. So I'm just going to see what I can make. I'm going to make 3 meals, a breakfast, lunch and a dinner, out of this and what I've got left from a few weeks ago. So we'll see what I can make with all this. Nice, easy breakfast. An orange, a yoghurt, and some of that stewed apple that I foraged for in the autumn, and a cup of coffee. And that breakfast is, the orange works out at a penny, the apple was free, and the yoghurt worked out at 12p. So that's a running total of 13p so far. For lunch, 1 bread roll. I'm going to have half a tub of this hummus and some of the salad. So that works out at 2p for the bread roll, the salad 5p, the radish and the tomatoes 2p, the hummus works out at 12p, so that's 21p, so that's 21p for lunch. So I've been going through the fridge to see what I've got left. I've got the kale. That was dated the 21st of December. Today's the 6th. There's 2 left, so we'll use some of that up. The swede, the carrots and the potatoes were all 19p. Special offer for Christmas, and I've got some of that left, so we'll use that up. The leek and the green beans. The green beans are from when I got some reduced. Was that last week, the week before? So along with the lovely organic mature cheddar, I thought we'd make a vegetarian cottage pie for dinner. All cut nice and small so it cooks quicker. Carrot, swede, leeks, beans. I'm actually going to add the sweet potato to the potato for the mash. Just grated some of that cheese for the topping. We'll mix that with the mashed potato, and then because everything's still warm, well hot, we'll just pop it under the grill to give it that nice crispness. Just add a couple of knobs of butter, not too much, because we're adding cheese. A little bit of this goat's milk. when I've mashed it. As we're mashing, we're going to mix in the cheese, and while it's still hot, it will mix down and merge. So just browned it off under the grill. Some steamed vegetables with it, and that's actually worked out for dinner. The cheese I worked out 30p. The topping to it, so the potato and the sweet potato, I worked out to 10p. The base with all the vegetables worked out to another 10p, so that came to 50p. But because I've actually made two for 50p, that's 25p. So 25p plus the 21p for lunch and the 13p for breakfast is a total of 59p for a day's meals. So 59p at the exchange rate I've just looked at is 79 cents US dollars and 70 cents the euro. So all that food, all them dinners for 59p. So just get out there, people, and see what you can find reduced, and use up what's left in the fridge.